What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel, but not to my kitchen. I'm not in my kitchen, y'all. I'm actually presently in my hotel room here in Florida. For those of you that don't know, my sister is very sick. And not only is my sister sick, you guys, but my sister is dealing with stage 4 uterine cancer. And so I'm here. I've been here for a couple of weeks. Okay, I've been here for a few weeks now, and let's just say your girl has been toughing it out. Okay, so with that being said, it's been tough, right? It's definitely been tough, but I'm here. I definitely have to go back to Atlanta in another few days because I have bills to pay. I have bills to pay, y'all. So. But anywho, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of these uploads. Alright, you guys. So, my purpose of coming on here is to make sure someone gets something food related. So, I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat when I'm here in the hotel. Okay? I have to confess, I do miss my stove. I miss my cooking. I miss my kitchen. I miss... yeah, I miss it, but my sister, y'all, is pretty much needing me a lot. So I'm here. We're here. Anywho, I'm gonna show you what I eat. I try my best to have some vegetables when I'm not home. So let me show you guys. Okay, let me show you. That sound is in my bathroom fan. But I don't know, right? Hotel. So, you guys, I'm going to let me set y'all up here because we're not gonna top it out with me because I'm not gonna hide nothing from me now. I'm not gonna let me see. More light. Alright, let me turn on this one too. Let's pull this up. That's irrelevant. But yeah, I think that's enough light for sure. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been eating. Things that I've been eating. So I do have some vegetables here. This is cauliflower melody. It has carrots and broccoli in there. So I get a couple of these for sure. And then to give it a buzz, I'm gonna add some cheese to it. The cheese is from Aldi's. This is cheddar Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. So I like this. So I'm gonna add some of that to it. And what else? I'm gonna get a slice of bread to it as well. This is from Aldi's. This is the bread are nice enough, but it's a little bit on the sweet end, but I don't eat but one slice, so I'm not going to finish this for sure. I'm going to take it home when I'm through. But this is cinnamon bread. This is a breakfast bread, so we're going to have a slice of that. And then, what else? I do love pickles, so I'm going to have some pickles with it. And then I'm going to have some pumpkin pie spice butter. This is so good, y'all. And then I'm going to have some strawberry banana nectar juice. And what am I going to put with that? I'm going to add something to that. What else? I think I want to put some ginger ale to that. However, I'm going to add this instead of the ginger ale. So we're going to do half and half. So that's going to be dinner. I don't want no snacks, so let me show you guys. Let me put this together. Alrighty, so I did forget to show you the meat can, right? You must say I wonder where the meat there. But anyway, I have some leftover meat in it, so that's chicken wings. I'll show you guys that. That's from the Chinese food place. I did have chicken wings yesterday. It comes with what? 6 pieces of chicken wings and some fries is what I got in here. So I'll show you guys that. Alrighty, you guys. So I'm gonna take out my broccoli. I don't know if I'm gonna eat the whole of it, so I'll probably eat a half of this. That's what it looks like in the bag. I think I'm gonna just have some of this, and then I'll put some up for tomorrow. Now, if y'all didn't see my hotel grocery shopping haul, then I'm gonna put the link down below so y'all can go over and check that out. Check it out, right? My grocery list. Alright, so now this is the wings that we mentioned earlier. That's what that looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. And I have 2 wings in there. Let's just say my daughter was here. So my daughter did eat some of my wings. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna add the fries in it too. I'm not gonna waste anything. When you're in the hotel, y'all, you don't waste nothing. You can't waste nothing. The good thing about this hotel is that I have a refrigerator in here, so I could just go ahead and warm up stuff, right? It saves cost and money for sure. So that looks good. And then next, I'm gonna go in and add the cheese. But I'm just going to go and add the cheese not only on top of the vegetables alone, but I'm going to add some on my fries as well. So I have some of that good cheese on there. And that tastes really, really good. Alright, so that looks good. We're not eating more than that, right? And then what I usually do, y'all, is get some honey. And then I put the honey on top of this. Like so. Now the wings that I'm having, it's mango habanero chicken wings. So I'm gonna add some honey on that. Trust me, when that melts, huh? Right? And then on the side, I'm gonna have 1 slice of this bread. Like I said, this bread, y'all, is very sweet. It's in holidays. I think at $4 on something feet. $4 on some change. It's very sweet. I'm gonna like it so sweet. All that's like really sweet, but I'm just gonna have 1 slice of this. So, and then I have this butter. This is pumpkin pie spice. So, and that's really good. And that's what it looks like in the package, right? So I'm gonna add some of this. If y'all ever had this, let me know. I guess it's seasonal, so you wouldn't see this around Christmas for sure. It's just a temporary thing. So I'm adding some of this on there. All right, so this will be like my little dessert type of thing. I feel like if I had a toaster, if it's a toaster, would I do it some justice, right? But anyway, I'm gonna put that right there. You know something? I should have really waited until that was warm, then we'll put that in there. So I'm probably have to take that back out. I'm gonna add some pickles to it. The pickle was in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna go ahead and warm up the pickle. I'm gonna take out the bread. I love pickle, guys. Oh my goodness, I love pickle bad. Alright, so I'm gonna put some pickles here. Maybe like 3. Or maybe 2. Let me just put 2 in there. Yeah, so, we can't eat that. That fall on the floor, so I can't eat that at hotel me there. If me there in my yard, me probably eat it, but not here, so. Alright, so I'm gonna put the one that's small. I only have 2 in the jar left, 3 in the jar left, and these are small, so I'll leave this for tomorrow's dinner. Because I only have 3 left in here. So, I'm going to go ahead. So, this is what my dinner look like, right? Let me give you another close-up. This is what it looks like. So, I'm going to take out back the bread because I don't want the bread overheat. I want it warm, but I don't want it get tough. So I'm gonna put about 4 or 5 minutes on this and make the cheese melt basically. And when we come back, I'm gonna have my dinner ready. All right, so cheese nicely melt. Look at that. So all I gotta do now is just put my bread in. Right, this on. Mmm. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Now I make my juice. That's showing how me I tug it out, you know. That's showing how me I tug it out. Ain't skipping nothing. We ain't skipping nothing. So I have my little cup right or so that I always keep. I'm like a baby, you guys. Y'all didn't know that about me, but I'm like a baby. I always have to have my little cup. And my cup has ice in it. I need some more ice, but I don't think I'm going to put no more ice in for the night. And so I'm just going to go in and just add some of this good in it. This strawberry banana nectar. And I did purchase this in the Dollar Tree, y'all. And again, if you guys did not see that grocery haul, the hotel grocery haul, then I tell you need to go watch it. And then I'm going to add this to it. This is a sparkling frost pineapple coconut. This is from Aldi's. This was only like 59 cents, you guys. So it's really, really cheap. And it really tastes good. It's water, but it's flavored with a little bit of pineapple and coconut flavor. So just add it in there. And trust me, that's going to last me through the night. And then I do have some water on deck. Okay, where's my water? I do have my water here. This is from Publix. That is that water is really good. If you guys never had that water before, try it. Really, really good. You could find it in Kroger's store, whatever. All right, so this is it. This is my dinner away from home, you guys. This is my dinner away from home. Look at that. Dinner away from home, right? Not bad. Hotel style. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Now, let's eat. So, okay, you guys. So, it's dinner time. It is dinner time. So, we have our French fries with vegetables, carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli, you guys. With that good cheese. Cheers. Mmm. It's good. It's real good. Not bad. The honey, kita boss. It's good. Mm. That's what I'm talking about. Mm. The honey. Try to, guys. Give it a try. Steamed vegetable from Aldi's or wherever. It don't have to be Aldi's. Some cheese on top of that. Honey. French fries. It's real good. Anyway, y'all. I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm gonna take a shower. Relax a little bit. This is good. Really good. This and this. $1.25 and 59 cents. 5-star. 5. Mm. My dinner, honey. Mm. 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 Pickle. Mm. 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 It's good. I finished eating my food. Mm. I love you guys so much. Thumbs up the videos for me. I appreciate it. And until then, pray for my sister because she needs it right now. Really bad. Mmm. Y'all. This is good. The cheese tastes nice on it, but the onion, give it a pause. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. So just good. Even that's 1 day old. That's it, y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.